Hey YouTube, what's up and welcome to another of my cooking part of my channel called What's Cooking. Today I'm gonna be very simple, doing a little breakfast thingy. I'm going to be doing fried plantain and egg. Simple, no big deal. I tell you, What's Cooking today is that's it. You're gonna be getting more from my channel, but today, right now, we're gonna be doing fried plantain and eggs. All right, so stay tuned while we get this thing prepped and ready. All right, soon come back. I have my plantain cut up on here and my sapping, paper towel over here, and my little pot over here with the oil ready. I think it's ready soon. Yeah, olive oil. Always use my olive oil. Yeah, forgive my camera thingy. So I'll be putting in my first thing. Yeah, one. Put in the next thing. Yeah, that one. That look good. Yeah, simple thing, not big. Breakfast. Yeah. So there's a man and a big chef. I can do my thing, I can help myself in the kitchen. You see it there? Yeah. Make that one fry a little bit. No. Yeah. So I fry up the thing. Fry up me fry up my plantain. Easy something that, this is where you can get up and cook, fry and eat easy breakfast. To go if you're in a rush, you just get up and fry. This is how Jamaicans do it. This is how I used to do it when I was in Jamaica. And even up here, we just get up and fry some plantain, fry egg, and we're good to go. All right. You're going to see the plantain when they're finished. That is my fried plantain being done in the pot right there. All right, so soon come back. All right, keep it locked, people. See it there. Fry up some already right there, and then now I have some over here preparing again, frying up. It's so, some people fry plantain and burn it up and give a burnt offering like you're God. Anybody will give a burnt offering, you must tell them to hello, me no want God kill me. Alright, besides that, that's the frying up the plantain. I showed you some fry already. Some are being on the thing, and some are in the pot still frying right now. Just put in these and you'll see more as we go. You'll see more. All right, so it's not no big something. It's not no big cooking. As I said, what's cooking is just what's in my pot today, right now. What's in my pot right now today? It's fried plantain, and you'll see the egg, and then you'll see the presentation later. All right, I'm going to do it with some bagels or croissant. Yeah, croissant. Yeah, I think that's the better thing. Yeah, man. So no soon come, soon forward, soon come, and soon see the finished product. And gentlemen, I'm back. Oh, see my mark, man of God. Yeah. So I'm gonna be doing egg in a different way today. You can try it when you want. I'm going to use egg, and some turkey bacon fried together. You can try it too. Cook, together, cut up in the egg. I don't know what you call it. Egg bacon mash up. Yeah, scrambled egg with bacon in it, and turkey bacon I use. So I crack my egg and I put it in. Yeah, just trying a different way. I know probably this way, but this is how I try sometimes. Try to mix my egg up. Yeah. And I whip my egg. Whip. with my egg. Then I add my salt. Make a bit because you know the bacon have a little salt in it. And a little black pepper. Little tip of it. Not a lot. Alright. Whip it again. Whip it, whip it, whip it. I need some more black pepper. A little tip more. Alright. A little black pepper. And after that, I get my bacon. Get my bacon out. Yeah. What I do with my bacon, and not much because I can use any knife. What I do is I slice it up. And like because the bacon is soft and stuff. I put it in there. You're gonna see when it's done. Yeah. So looks like in there. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. Need bad angle. I put my thing in it. Yep. Alright. That's done. Bacon already has a little salt in it, so you don't put a lot of salt in the egg there, because the egg is going to get a bit of the saltiness, sorry, from the bacon. All right, so I put my pot on. I don't use oil right now to do this. You know, I try to cut down on a lot of oil sometimes, you know, but when I'm doing eggs, most times I don't use oil. All right, so you come over here. Going over to my pot. So my pot is there. It's my pot ready. Thing, you know, when it gets hot, what I do, I throw the egg and the bacon in the pot like that. Yeah. Kind of different kind of cooking. Yes. What I do, let it circle around, then I let it rest and sit. When it sits there, you'll see it start to you know, let me get my fork. Yeah, and I spread out the bacon in it. Yeah, and after a while I'm going to scramble it. When I'm scrambling it, you will see, you know, so it's getting, so it's, let it spread it out. It's spread out on the pot right now, and then it's gonna be scrambled very soon. Alrighty, so you're seeing a bit different kind of breakfast. As I said, everybody do them thing different. Nobody is a professional. You know, I can help myself in the kitchen. You know. And when it hots up, then I start to stir it around. All right, you'll see. So guys, I'm ready to. So there you go. I'm going to start stirring. And I don't use, as I said, I don't use oil. I'm using the heat. The egg already has heat in it. You're gonna see when it's done on the plate. You know, it looks weird right now, but I'm doing something different. Non-stick pot, you know. So I'm scrambling the egg. And letting the heat do the rest. Alright? You're gonna see it on the plate when I plate it. Alright. go. Yep. Yeah. All right. Another thing over there. This is what it's gonna be looking like. The color of the bacon and stuff, the turkey bacon, and then you see, prepare the heat, you know, and the fat in the oil, you know, the egg with the oil, you know, use the fat in the egg and use the heat in the non-stick pot and fry it and stir it and scramble it. All right. So there you go. Egg, different. You know, sometimes you have to, in the kitchen, you have to just come up with some new things, some new ideas. Just try to invent. You know, try to make a staple. I don't know if people have made it before, but I've thought about it and just make it a couple times now. And I hope that you like it when I plate it with my bagel or croissant, one of the two, and you're gonna plate it and you're gonna tell me what you guys think. Remember, you know, always at the end of this, I'm gonna tell you to like, subscribe, and click the bell and leave your comments, you know, and give me ideas of what you would like me to cook or what you would like to see on What's Cooking with Kenny. Yeah, and I can take a suggestion and I will do a try a thing. You know, we are try a thing. We're not chef. Let me say again, I'm not the big boy or the chef, but I can help myself in the kitchen. All right, so stay tuned for the plating, and then you guys tell me. Guys, my plantain over here, croissant, pear, add a little pear, you know, Jamaican style, with my egg and bacon scrambled together, and my orange juice on the side. Yeah, man, that's it. Tell me on the thing. Tell me on the thing. Tell me what you guys think about that. Yeah, my orange juice on the side. So there you have it, guys. My egg and bacon scrambled together with croissant and pear and plantain. Yeah, man, with my orange juice on the side. So tell me one thing. Remember to subscribe, share, comment, yeah, and just share it with your friends and make them see. Try a thing, support the thing. You know, like, subscribe, and share the thing, and leave a comment too. And you can give me suggestions as to what you would like to see in my segment called What's Cooking. All right. Sooner or later, this is your boy Kenny. I'm out. Peace. Love you.